Good morning. If you're a guest with us, we are so glad you're here. And we have a gift for you. We've put it together with you in mind. It's called a guest pack, and you can find it right out at the Information Center. We've put things in there that we hope you'll find helpful and useful. We've put some books, some pamphlets, as well as a couple of coupons to our cafe in there just for you. Also, on the bottom of your program, you'll find a connections card. You can fill that out and let us know about any number of areas where you'd like some information, and someone will follow up with you this week. On the back of that card, you can let us know your first impressions about your time here with us this morning. You can also let us know how we can be praying for you. We would love to do that. You can drop that card in the offering bucket as it's passed, or you can leave it out at the Information Center when you pick up your guest pack.
Mary, he's here!
Who?
Jesus! He's back at last!